Hi guys, in this course I'm going to cover how to produce this song from scratch. We're going to look at how I came up with this idea for the track, how to copy different chord progressions from a real track that you really like, put it on your track and make your version of that track. Then we're going to go over each and every plugin, each and every instrument. And in this course, I have a lot of different plugins going on, but I also have alternatives for all of the instruments. So you can watch this course and make this track with just Logic's built-in plugins if you want. And then I'm also going to cover how to make a proper arrangement. We're going to make this arrangement blocks: intro, build up, drop, break, build up. Again, drop 2 and outro. And how I came up with the different arrangements. Then we're also going to go over mixdown. So we're gonna go make a basic mixdown first. Then you're gonna watch me go to my car. I'm actually always going to my car for a proper listening to my mixdown. I'm also doing notes of that mixdown and what I like, what I don't like. So you will see me listen to my song in the car. And then we're going back to Logic again and make another mixdown and just adjust different things based on what we hear in the car. Then after that, we're going to do a proper mastering. And I'm also use different plugins for my mastering that I really like. But same thing there, we're going to do a mastering with just Logic's plugins, and it actually works really great as well. So let's see you in the course.